Once upon a time, there lived a man in a small village. He was very worried about his son. The boy was lazy and careless. He never worked and spent his days wandering around the village. One day, the father decided to teach his son an important lesson. He gently called him and said, "Son, there is a watch inside the cupboard. Bring it to me." The boy brought the watch. The father looked at it and said, "Now take this watch to the market and ask people how much it is worth." The boy went to the market. Different people gave different prices. Some said 500 rupees, some said 800, and others said 1,000. Confused, the boy returned home and told his father. The father smiled and said, "Put the watch back." The next day, the father gave the watch to his son again and said, "Go to the market, but this time ask people the price of the time inside the watch." The boy did as he was told. People laughed at him. Some called his question foolish. Feeling sad, he walked into a small watch repair shop. An old watchmaker listened carefully and smiled kindly. He said, "You cannot put a price on time. You can earn money again, but you can never get back lost time. Time passes, but you can choose how to use it." The boy understood the truth. He rushed home and shared everything with his father. The father placed his hand on his son's shoulder with pride. From that day on, the boy changed his life. He worked hard and used his time wisely. He finally understood the real value of time. Time is free, but it is priceless. Use it wisely.